there's a little bet inside this video that can possibly get you $1. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Before I start with the bumper story, which is for sale by the way for $100, super shitty bumper, $100. Come pick it up on my hands. I can't really do it. But before I start with the story, I just want to tell you guys it is very important for now that you guys start putting post notifications on the channel, because school is gonna start, and for the very first few weeks of school I'm kind of gonna try to adapt and get used to my schedule, and so my uploading will kind of be crazy, and if it doesn't, then you guys don't need to put it on or anything like that, but it might get a little crazy, just saying. But anyways guys, with the bumper, which is now for sale for $100, please take it out of my hand. If you're in Sacramento, please, I don't want it, $100, come on, please. Let's go to the backyard. Let me show you guys all the flaws, why I quit, exactly what went on, and all that stuff, because this bumper gave me freaking nightmares. Hey guys, this is like day 4 or 5. This is like 5 or 6, guys. Honestly, I'm a little frustrated and I feel like quitting, breaking the shit out of this bumper, and just dropping 2 racks like on a bumper, a hood, and my wrap. Just like out of frustration. Like, this bumper has been giving me so much headaches, and it's all my fault, guys. Like, it's all my fault. I shouldn't have. And you know, they always tell you, man, you know, cheap isn't good. Like, you're gonna end up spending more money. Like, cheap is more expensive than expensive, if that makes sense. You know, I'm paying the cost, guys, but I'm trying to make the best of it. But so there it is, guys, the bumper that ended it all. Let me give you guys a little quick backstory real quick. I wanted a bumper, like I said, because I'm gonna rewrap the whole car in a different color. It's gonna be 2 colors actually. Rewrap it in a different color, and I wanted to get a new bumper. I wanted a new look, things like that. My lip from the front bumper is falling off, as you guys may have seen already, so I wanted to get a new look, you know. So this bumper offered like these new different air vent kind of look, you know, the grill and the outer lip. This kind of extends farther than the OEM one, and this bumper runs for like $500 online. I was like, man, this is cheap, 250 bucks, that's half the price. Like, why not? It can't be that bad, right? And if it's something small, I could try to fix it. I was way wrong, guys. If you guys seen in the previous video, if you guys haven't, go click it, go watch that video. I tried to fix it with Bondo, anything, dude. I was going nuts, guys. So this did not work out, and this is the point where I gave up. We were trying to put the bumper on, right? But since I had to fly out, right here is usually a flap from here to here, where you put 1 bolt and 2 bolts to connect it to the rest of the car. I had to cut that piece out because it didn't fit. So I had to make some customizations to try to bolt this into the car. And I had to I tried to do L brackets, didn't work. And I had to put holes in the car that didn't belong, like new holes. Like, I didn't want to do that. I didn't, by the way, I didn't, just saying. Like, I was going to do extra holes to try to put that in, but I decided not to, and I don't want to put extra holes in the car. It just didn't feel right. So, and this is the point where I quit. I was putting the bumper to try and fit it and make the holes and everything at the end. Once the Bondo I was a little bit satisfied with, I put it on, and this hit with the headlights, and look, guys, it bumped. Once this cracked and kind of fell, I was like, yeah, I'm quitting. That's it for me. That's my last sign. I'm done with this freaking bumper. I spent 6 days in this bumper. I was sick, I was tired, I wanted to finish it, things weren't going right, and I got super frustrated, impatient, and I just don't have the time for this dumb bumper, which is not for sale, $100. Please come pick it up, take it off my hand, guys, $100. So I didn't want this. And plus, if I was to, you know, paint the whole thing, wrap it, and that little piece would have fell, I would have been heartbroken. It would have looked horrible. I would have to pay to rewrap it. I would have to pay to repaint it. I would have to pay to fix it, or I would have to waste my time to do all those things myself, which I do not have that much time of. So I went ahead and called quits. I do not have the times. I will take my L and just call it a day. I just bought a lip way cheaper than the bumper. I should have just went that route, man. But I didn't know. You learn and you lose. You learn and move on. Alright, now like they say, man, like, you know, sometimes cheaper comes out more expensive, and I should have known, guys. For just $250 more, I would have got a freaking awesome bumper that fits, just bolted on, things like that. Anyways, guys, let's go inside my house. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the future mods, and I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek into the colors and what kind of things it is of my new wrap and things like that. I think it'll be freaking great. Some of the future mods also I will be doing, and there's a little bet inside this video that can possibly get you $1. So if you guys watch the rest of the video, there's a chance you could win $1. Comment down below, and if you guys complete the challenge and answer the right and give the right answer. So keep watching the rest of the video. I changed the oil, the filter, the regular maintenance check on the car. Check that out. It's a nice little recap video, and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so let's go into my computer real quick and show you guys some of the things I got in mind. First, gonna start off with some tints. See, we need some tints, so I am going to buy a roll for my what is this, for the windows, for the tail lights. So I'm gonna buy some tints for the tail lights because I feel like they'll look better smoked out. Plus, it will look a lot better once you guys will see the wrap. It's gonna be a two-tone kind of wrap. What that means is gonna be like a main color and a secondary color, kind of like accenting the whole car. I will give you guys this. All right, I'll give you guys this, Nick. The whole car will have a satin finish. It will be a satin finish, just like my satin wrap, but it's gonna be a color that I think stands out way more. And if you guys see me on the street, you guys will be able to notice me like this. So since I quit on the bumper, as you guys see, I went ahead and bought that sucker right there. This lip right here, I think it looks nice. It looks aggressive, and it definitely adds a nice look to the car. So I'm gonna buy that. It was way cheaper, and I definitely got it. I made sure it was a polyurethane, whatever. That's like the good quality. That's the, you don't want fiberglass, you want this, or I don't know, this is a type of fiberglass. I don't know, guys, educate me please. But I know apparently this is way more flexible. Like if you go like in a low curve, you know how you scrape, it will less likely to like bend, but like not break, instead of just snapping and cracking. So that's a good material right there. This is not the one I bought. This is just a page to show you the picture. This is not where I bought it from, just saying. Now that's kind of the end of this video, but I did go ahead and buy oil, an air filter, and an oil filter to do the regular maintenance. It was up to date, and I wanted to change it, make the car run fresh with brand new oil. And so enjoy me changing all the fluids and the air. Alright guys, so we're just gonna switch the oil from my car. I think is up to due. I think it's been around 4,000 to 5,000 miles since we haven't changed it. So we got one car, two cars, feeling like the Stradman out here. Ma, Matthew. Kind of a fail, but I'll give you guys $1 if you guys know where this is from. And here we guys, we fix it. We get to the L filter. Out with the old, oh fuck, and in with the new. And that is how you change an L filter. I love that guy, man. He's the best. Comment down below if you know who I'm talking about. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we finished the whole maintenance on the G35, brand new. And so I will catch you guys next video whenever a new part comes in or just another event. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Comment down, road to 10K. We'll get there. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'll catch you guys next vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like. I'll see you next video. Peace.